We are back for a new Design With Me video from a random client brief. A couple of weeks ago we've done one for a logo design, and so I thought it was time to do another one, and this time we are going to build an entire brand identity for another industry. So last time we chose food and we did logo design. This time we're going to do the industry of fashion and we're going to build a brand identity. So once again, for this video I am going to use the website called goodbrief.io, and as I said, I am going to read the brief with you and we are going to build something, I hope, amazing. If you guys want to watch the last video about random brief client design with me, you can watch it over here when we made our logo design. That was really fun, so watch that one after watching this video if you'd like to see more of it. But yeah, let's generate a brief. Let's go. Okay, this time we're going to use my iPad to generate the brief, and I will put the screenshot on the side of the screen for you to follow along. Here it is set up as logo and food, and food. So we are going to do brand identity, and we are going to do the industry of fashion, and let's hit generate. We are a fashion company that sells modern outfits. Our items are made with environmental friendly practices and are shipped directly to your home. Our target audience is single men. We want to convey a sense of innocence while at the same time being calm. You must create the total branding package. This includes creating an appropriate brand name, a consistent visual system, and of course a great logo. Okay, so our first task obviously is to find the name of this fashion brand for single men. So let's see what we can find out. I'm going to write down 5 names and we're going to choose one. Guys, I come up with 5 different names, and trust me, I am not the most creative person at 907, so we are going to have to choose in between those 5 names. Here we go. So number 1, the first one that came to me is fit friendly. Second one, men only. Third one, manly. Men only, manly. Okay. 4th, the perfect fit. And 5, only the word Dapper. So since we are targeting single men and that we are selling really environmental practices, modern outfit, we have to think about something that includes all of that. So my first thought is Dapper. I kind of want to choose the name Dapper. However, with the colors that we are going to use and the message, the tagline that we're going to use inside our logo, inside of branding, can remind of the modern / environmental part of that brand. So I think I'm going to go with Dapper. Let's get right into the design. Okay, before I even open Illustrator, we have to think about what we're going to do for this brand. So they ask us to do a consistent visual system, which is basically branding. So what I was thinking is to make one logo, a sub logo, maybe a variation of it, see if we have time. I'm going to make 1 or 2 illustration, maybe a shirt, maybe cap, something that is relatable to the brand, and we're going to make a pattern out of it, and then at the end of this video I will present all of the brand to you on a short little brand presentation. Anyways, let's go right into Illustrator, see what we can do. We need to find a font, we need to find colors, and we need to start making something. So let's get right into it. So the first thing I'm going to do is write the name Dapper on our artboard over there, and I'm going to try to find a font, and then I'm going to browse some colors. We want something earthy, modern. So let's do that. Let's find a font, let's find our colors, and then let's make some illustration and try to make a logo out of it. So I guess you can see on the back I have 5 fonts, and I'm going to decide which one I want to eliminate or which one or the one I want to keep. Alright, so the first one, as you see there, is a little too feminine. Same with the second one, a little bit too feminine for me, even so I really like the font. So we end up with 3 of them now. So we're going to Red over Taurus, and so now I have to decide if I want to go with this kind of font or that kind of font. So yeah, I think we're going to go with this one, and we're going to make something out of it. So let's try to find a color palette. Okay, so as you can see, we found our color palette. To do so, I went to Adobe Color and I just tapped Men, and I found right away this color palette that I think was perfect, modern. I love the calm colors because, as you remember, in our briefs they said that our target audience is single male. We want to convey a sense of innocence while at the same time being calm. This palette is so calm, pure innocence, and remind the environmentally friendly practices. I love it. Those colors are just perfect fit. This color palette is very flexible. Let's now build something, trying to find something that we can go with Dapper. So far so good. We drawn with my Wacom tablet. That guy, we were like, it was an outfit that was kind of sitting, and so that was awesome if you could like sit on a Dapper, and he sat casually on it. So it's modern, it's dapper, but yet it's simple. I really love the color as well. Now I'm going to draw maybe the shoes or the pants and the shirt. So we're going to choose to make the form, and so that way we can make our pattern. So let's go. Okay, we have a couple of different illustrations. I made 5 of them, so let me show you on my screen here. We have the Dapper guy on the Dapper name. We have a pants, some kind of shirt. We have guy who thinks green because the material is eco-friendly, and we have some leaf to remind of that eco-friendly again brand. This is a really simple and clean color. So now we're going to create a pattern using all of our elements over here. So let's do it. is what we've made so far. We made our primary logo, we made our secondary logo, we made our brand mark, we made our illustrations, and we made our pattern. And we also have a really cool color palette. That is branding, okay? We are branding, we are making a real big branding identity right now. And so the font that I use for this company is called On Terrace. So this is what the company is going to use as of titles and all of that. And then if we want to go really deep into the branding, we can also find a secondary typography that they can use on their website or packaging or stuff like that. Okay, so now we're going to visually make it look super cool with some other artboard, and I will show you the end project. You guys, we are done with this cool brand called Dapper from Random Client Brief. We did an entire brand identity, and I am about to make on the side some mock-ups with tags and stuff, and you will see this at the end of this video. So let me show you quick what we've done today once again. Also, we started with this and we ended up with all of that, so that's really cool. Here is our primary logo with all our colors, our secondary logo, and our brand mark. We even done a really cute pattern to add to tags and all of that you're going to see right after. And then we brought those logo to real life pictures to show you how it could look. So yeah, this is it. Our pattern are even on our pictures, as you can see. Let me introduce you to the amazing brand called Dapper. Thank you guys for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it and you had fun, don't forget to subscribe to my channel to never miss any of my future uploads. And please don't forget to like this video. Again, thank you. Have a great Sunday. I'll see you next week. Bye.